Hey, it's Eric with PDRC, and in front of me I have the new Arma Vendetta that comes out this coming Friday. So unlike the Infraction, I actually ordered one for myself this time. This one's mine, so I get to do the unboxing. Let's see what's inside. Alright. Ooh. Okay, so the one I picked out is green. And it looks like it's actually cinched down inside the box. So, kind of attached inside. Got a couple of zip ties on it. Cool. Alrighty. So, straight away. So a lot of folks have been coming in the shop and talking about decals on their cars that they haven't actually been sticking, and it doesn't really matter the brand. It's one of those that's coming out of the factory and with the decals not really fully attached. This does not suffer from that problem. All the decals look like they're actually in line, pretty good. There's that texturing that's on it that you can see in the videos. Kind of looks like a weird river pattern or whatever. Looks like it's on the exterior of the finish, but yeah, pretty cool. It's got the new Hoons tires on it. I've already cheated, put them on my Infraction Mega and ran them. So they hook pretty good. First thing you'll note is there's actually holes in the body where the tires would go. I don't know if this is for venting or for preventing the tires from scrubbing the inside. It's pretty low profile. I'm thinking it's set up for venting. Right away, it looks like they did a pretty good job on the inside. A lot of it seems to share some of the properties with the Infraction. So they've added in that front area. No splitter at the bottom, but it looks like there's actually a space for the splitter, and there's that foam there that is, not very good for protecting your feet, but pretty good for if you impact a wall. The back side of it looks like it's also part of the Infraction. However, it's got this Lexan was attached to it as well. Pretty good design. First thing I'm going to note is that the ESC is actually mounted to the chassis and not on top of the receiver box. So that's something new I haven't seen yet. All in all, I'm thinking looks pretty good. It looks like a pretty stable platform that's on it. The parts on there look a lot like directly from the new Infraction as well, so I'm kind of wondering if the bodies will match up too, just to have something different. Of course, this one is coming out with the DX3 remote, so pretty cool. And it comes with, looks like an extra piece of, oh, it's a lower profile wing on the inside of it. Already painted to match too. Let's see, comes with a speed gear in here, and it's stamped 26, so it's got the little Arma repair gun, couple of tools. Noted that I don't see a 1.5 in here at all. I see a 2.0 and a 2.5, so there must not be anything on the car that requires a 1.5 anymore. And of course the instruction manual is in here as well. I'm going to try this with the stock gearing in it first. I kind of want to get an idea of how is it going to run with the stock gear, how's it going to run with the speed gear in it. More importantly, how hot is it going to get with the speed gear? Generally when you put that speed gear in, it kind of gets a little ridiculously hot. And let's go ahead and answer a couple of questions and do a side-by-side while we're here, right? Totally prepared for this. I know it's an unboxing, but I'm comparing it so much to the Infraction. Let's answer a question. Will the Infraction body fit? Yeah, if you take these side guards off, they will. The Infraction has mounts that are on the outside. If you change the front to the inside position and leave these on the outside, you can actually put the Vendetta body on the Infraction. So, kind of cool. Good to know. Can go the other way as well. So, just a neat thing. I was curious. Now I know. So do you. Alrighty. Well, This is where we're at right now with the new Vendetta. I'll go ahead and start giving this thing some thunder runs, some provings, get some initial thoughts and see what we think of it as well. But for right now, the car will be out on Friday, and hopefully I'll have a little bit more information to provide for you then as well. But for now, this is what she looks like coming out of the box. Thanks for watching.